So I have a list of colors in column B, and I want to delete all the items that are showing more than once. So for example, yellow, it's appearing in here, and here. I'm gonna mark it in yellow. Then blue, it's showing in these two cells, and then red, it's also displaying in these two cells, and the other ones are in duplicate. So I want to make sure that I only have these colors appearing once. So what I want to do is to select my cell B2, and I want to go up to the data menu. I'm gonna click it, and then where it says data tools, I'm gonna look for the option that says remove duplicates, and I'm gonna click in here. And as I click it, you can see that I have this pop-up window where it says remove duplicates. So I just want to make sure that I have this checkbox selected. My data has headers because I have a header in here, which is cell B1. So I want to delete all the duplicate colors. So I'm gonna click OK. And I'm gonna get this message where it says that 6 duplicates values were found and removed and 9 unique values remain. So I'm gonna click OK. Now yellow, blue, and red are only appearing once. So that's how you eliminate duplicates in a list. Okay, I hope that video was helpful. If it was, please don't forget to hit the red button to like and subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything and you'll be motivating me to upload more tutorials for you. See you next time!